That is so fair. Joe Hendry right now, slime boy.
Hold on. Jesus. Hold on. Okay, I need to... Window capture. Ilk. Where is... There he is.
Beautiful. I believe in him.
I'm terrified. There we go, something like that, eh? All right, everybody, we're reacting to Joe Hendry. I've never seen anything about this. Let me turn off my background music.
I'm so excited.
All right. Who does the Smexy Bunny? They look cute. You're not free. I'm free. Okay. I will explain the bunny in a moment there, Schliquid. Let's check out this Joe Hendry thing. Okay.
Can't hear it.
Oh.
Restart it. Can't hear.
Okay, I fix it. Okay.
Say his name and he appears.
That's working.
I believe in Joe Hendry.
The same,
I believe in Joe Hendry.
Spin around.
Cause they love him in London and Paris and Tokyo, America, Scotland and Canada and Mexico. They say, I believe in Joe Hendry.
Oh my goodness.
I believe in Joe Hendry.
I mean, it's catchy, and the music is actually really popping. I like this.
It's so good.
What is happening? I don't...
Wave your hands from side to side and say, oh, I believe
Really?
in Joe Hendry. Joe Hendry is so prestigious. Wave your hands from side to side and say.
How is it that he manages to keep his one side of his shirt tucked in and the other one is flowing in the wind? How do you manage this?
I think it depends on the direction of the wind, don't it?
I suppose so. This is just a pretty... Why? More bits. Sliquid's stimming. Sliquid is stimming. So this is some European wrestler, correct? That's the whole idea with this?
From like the UK is what I heard. But according to the streamer of whom has the redeem, he moved to the US because much of his work is done in the US.
That's fair. I mean, the US has so much work happening. I paused. I took my shot. That's fair.
Oh, I believe in Joe Hendry. In Joe Hendry. In the prestigious one.
Oh, that was the whole thing.